So this is a super fun Christmas party grab bag gift that I found on Amazon. It's really easy. It's just a paper box, comes basically pre-assembled. You just kind of put on the top and the bottom, but it's really meant for money, but we kind of took a different route here, and instead someone is going to be getting a whole bunch of lottery tickets. You can put money in here, you can put lottery tickets in here, you can put gift cards in here, but it's really cool how it just all connects together, and whoever is the recipient will get to pull this out and it'll reveal all these fun things. The top is really easy to take off here, so if you need to re-roll it, or just kind of re-put these things down in here so that they come out nicely. And then this just sits on there, so whomever gets this gift can just simply open it like this and have fun winning the lottery. What a fun and unique Christmas grab bag gift.